In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add formatting to Yahoo email, giving your emails that extra professional touch. Whether you're composing a formal message or just adding a splash of creativity to your correspondence, formatting can significantly enhance the appearance and effectiveness of your emails. Let's begin by ensuring you're logged into Yahoo Mail. Head over to the Yahoo Mail website and enter your credentials to access your inbox. Once you're logged in, we're ready to proceed. Next, you're going to initiate a new email. Look towards the top left corner of your Yahoo Mail interface, and you'll see the Compose button, represented by a neat little envelope icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a brand new email window where you can start drafting your message. Now, we're going to enable the formatting toolbar. At the bottom of the Compose window, you'll notice a series of icons. This is your formatting toolbar. If it's not already visible, simply click on the icon that looks like an A to expand it, and there you have it, the complete set of formatting tools at your disposal. Let's explore the variety of options you have for formatting your text. You can make text bold, italicized, or underlined by selecting the corresponding icons labeled B, I, or U. This is particularly useful for emphasizing key points. You can also modify the font size and font style to ensure your text is clear and legible. If you want to play with colors, you can change the text color or add a highlight background to your text to make sure it stands out. For organizing information, consider using bulleted or numbered lists. These are perfect when you're presenting items or steps in an orderly fashion. Similarly, aligning your text to the left, center, or right can help structure your email for a more professional look. Additionally, you can insert hyperlinks by clicking on the link icon. This is useful if you need to direct the recipient to a web page or another online resource. And for a touch of fun or emotion, don't forget the emojis. Click on the smiley face icon to add some personality to your message and convey tone effectively. After applying all the desired formatting to your email, take a moment to review your message. Look over the entire email to ensure that all the formatting options have been applied correctly and that everything looks as intended. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to send your formatted masterpiece out into the world. Just click on the send button and your email, now beautifully formatted, will be on its way to the recipient. And there you have it, a simple way to enhance your emails in Yahoo Mail by using formatting tools. This little bit of extra effort can go a long way in making your communications more effective